Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is moving day. I am so tired. I moved in some of the stuff in our home since last night, so now I'm doing the final touches, guys. I hope you're having a blessed Friday morning. Okay, let's get going. Oh boy, it is crazy. Okay, let's go. So everybody, the kids, them, my whole posse behind me. You guys can't see. Oh my gosh, my car is full to the brim. I have a splitting headache. The worst thing is to move when you have a headache. Oh my gosh. But I am glad. Time for a change. 2019. I said your girl's gonna be getting it, and I'm reaching for my goals. So all y'all that's been sitting there not doing what you need to do, it's time that you need to start reaching for your goals. Don't let nothing stop you. Y'all, I am filthy, so don't watch my clothes. I am dirty. I still gotta go back to the other unit and go clean it up, because I am a nice person and I know if it was my place and somebody move out type, I want them to clean it. So yes guys, so we're starting a new chapter in our life. Well, as you see, hubby's not here. Hubby's still away for work. He was supposed to fly in today, but unfortunately him and the boss them end up gonna be staying a little bit longer, so that is not going to happen. But boy, I have a splitting headache. So Memphis is gone with my dad with the truck. Them gone elsewhere. My girlfriend's behind me with some stuff as well, because I guess we had more than what we thought, and I got a big 20 feet truck, so but I guess that didn't fit everything, so I needed something bigger, but whatever. But I was able to pack and make one trip, so that is a bonus. Oh gosh. But yeah guys, I will see y'all when we get to the place. Hey guys, so I am home right now. I'm just trotting through the driveway. This is just crazy. Fade, or will you just use this thing, Fade? Put this here. This is garbage. Oh, my vision board. Y'all messing up my vision board. The most important thing. Oh gosh, it is crazy. Ow.
Hi.
It is cold in here.
Yeah.
It is cold.
And this was like,
So I am home, sweet home. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
cold in here though.
Yeah, it's cold in here because I gotta turn on the heat and all that stuff.
Yeah, until it's just like, oh my god, no so. I'm trying to turn on the heat yet.
Yeah, we're gonna have to turn on the heat. Okay guys, so we're gonna get some stuff, then I'll be back. I am tired and I look mad crazy. I'm just actually about to go park my vehicle because I just emptied out. So as you can see, it's empty, so I'll go park it because the truck, oh god, is over that way. All right. That's them. Yeah. There's one here. Oh my god, I am exhausted. Your toes are cold. Oh, look at her bow on her hole. I decided to still leave the bow on. I'm just going to go meet the cable guy. Yeah, give me a second. Me have to make sure everything's okay with the cable guy, because I'm coming to put on the thing. Oh gosh. Oh, I thought Memphis took the egg. Oh, what a boy.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope so she sabi kukuwa.